Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn different names of furniture and things in the house in English. This is our wonderful house. We will look at different rooms and learn the names of the furniture inside them. Let's begin with the kitchen. Fridge, oven, table, cupboard, microwave, kettle, dishwasher, trash bin. Great! Now let's repeat with full sentences. There is a fridge. There is an oven. There is a table. There is a cupboard. There is a microwave. There is a kettle. There is a dishwasher. There is a trash bin. Perfect! Now let's go to the living room. Look carefully. Couch, armchair, coffee table, TV, bookshelf, carpet, curtains. Now repeat. There is a couch. There is an armchair. There is a coffee table. There is a TV. There is a bookshelf. There is a carpet. There are curtains. Very good. Now let's visit the bedroom. Bed, pillows, wardrobe, bedside table, desk, chair, chest of drawers. Now repeat. There is a bed. There are pillows. There is a wardrobe. There is a bedside table. There is a desk. There is a chair. There is a chest of drawers. Amazing! Now let's go to the bathroom. The toilet, sink, mirror, shower, washing machine, towel rack. Now repeat. There is a toilet. There is a sink. There is a mirror. There is a shower. There is a washing machine. There is a towel rack. Excellent work. Now let's practice together. I will show you pictures. Answer the question. What is this? It's a fridge. What is this? It's a washing machine. What is this? It's a wardrobe. What is this? It's a microwave. What is this? It's a coffee table. Great job, guys! I hope this lesson was useful and interesting for you. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in our next videos on the Listen English ESL YouTube channel.